Hello, Assalamu alaikum to all my AIU followers and my AIU, my AIU, my Islamic Palo Open University B.ed fellows. Today, the goal of making that video is to introduce you that how can you make the 40 lesson plans, which is the mandatory for the A608 course. So before getting into the video, I have prepared all these lesson plan, and it's just an example to show you guys that how can you make your own. And Actually, this is the lesson plan which I have taken one of my friend, which has been made this, and she got alhamdulillah a grade for that particular lesson plan, and her lesson plans are very good. And how can you make I'm going to show you all the 40 lesson plans, and plus how can you mark your attendance, how can you how can you get a grade as well. So before going that video into, I just ask you or just request to subscribe my channel. And the other thing is that I also made some video about the Scotland scholarship, which is in the link. Go and please watch that video. This video is basically for the scholarship, about the scholarship for the young women and girl in Pakistan. If you're getting education from AIU, and if you are getting education from any institute of Pakistan, you are eligible to apply. Go and apply. I explain all the procedure. I'm not here to gain views for that video, because the purpose of making that video to show you that to help you guys that you can get the uh, scholarship, and your studies might become easier for you. So because before wasting any time, and let's get into video. So first of all, if you're going to make if you're going to make a lesson plan, I suggest you to make a cover page like this. Write lesson plans, and write your code and B.ed 1.5 here. Actually, I have hidden that name and roll number, so at that place you need to write the name and your roll number. You can make if you want, you can attach the logo of Islamic Bal University, or any, or if you want, make it simpler. Next would be the teaching practice completion certificate. So next, you need to write you need to mention your certificate here, like this certificate has been given to you, and you can download it from the AIU website, in book download portal. So here, side and step of head teacher, uh, mandatory. So teacher give you a sign, and the head of the school give you a sign and stamp that confirm that you has completed 40-day teaching practice at that school. Here you need to need your name, roll number, registration number, and all these things. And here the stamp, and actually this certificate is mandatory to getting A grades, or even to pass that course. So the next thing you should attach is the attendance sheet. Here you should attach the attendance sheet. Sorry, you should write attendance sheet, and then here we go, it is the attendance sheet. So basically the attendance sheet is here. So here you can also take that attendance sheet from that A608 booklet available on the website. Download, take picture, and paste it in uh, docs, like Word, MS Word. So here, on a first, you need to write the time, time of arrival, time of departure, time of arrival, time of departure. And please mark your leave. When there is a Sunday, write Sunday here. And then you need to get the signature and the stamp of the headmaster of the school. So if we go next, here again, the time of arrival, the time of departure, and your sign. And then to confirm, you need to get a sign from the school. The other thing you need to mention is to your school name, like government elementary, girls higher secondary school, whatever your village is, and then they should be your uh, tehsil and your district. You can also you can also do the teaching practices in a private school if they allow you. So don't worry about this, and go and do teaching practices in a private school, uh, in a local government school. They will be fine. So journal, so here I'm going to show you how you can make the 40 lesson plan. We have already done the one practice which we have submitted in 8608 before. So just follow that lesson plan and made 40 lesson plan. And you should opt at least three different subject for that. Like in this 40 lesson plan, I have chosen the journal science, mathematics, and computer science. You can choose any of three subject. You can choose English, Urdu, biology, or any of three subject. So first you need to write the name of teacher, subject, duration, class, number of students, which is 13 Feb 2021. And then you should write a journal objective, specific objective. Then you should write the teaching method here and aviate what should it be, you can write here. And then the previous knowledge, then introduction, then presentation. Here I have also pasted the little presentation. Don't actually these are lesson plans, so lesson plan is not your presentation. So don't impregnate, or don't stuff it with the extra presentation. Just write your major points, like what you asked for the previous knowledge, then you give an introduction to your student, and then the presentation, what you have used in class. Just write that presentation chart. Whiteboard books are used by me. I do a diagram to make the student learn more. So basically, and summative evolution, what you have learned from this is kind of a summarization the whole lesson and homework, just like this. So in this way you should make 40 lesson plans. I think it's simpler and you knew how to make, because you have submitted one already. So just made 40 lesson plans like this, and go with this. So here we have made the journal sciences and all these stuff, the specific objective, teaching method, and all these things, what teaching method you use, mention that, and AVAs, and but you need to make the 40 lesson plans. Now if I am going to make the computer lesson plan, you need to mention, you need to add the cover. It will give you some kind of comprehension, like finishing a touch. And I think the presentation is a most important thing in lesson plan. Do present it well, and we have so much option in MS World. How can you pop up thing with these decorating things? Okay, so you can see here it is an introduction, here it is summative evolution, and in place of whole presentation, I just put some flow sheet charts and all these things, because it's your lesson plan, it's not your presentation. So don't stuff it with extra presentation. And like this, so where the next third one is the for the maths. uh I have made for the maths, like math. We have started off with math. You can see homework. Here I have given the homework. Aviates, previous knowledge, introduction, and aviate like this. Like you need to go through with this. Even you can see, you can place the question like this, take some exercises and paste it like this. So I'm going to show you the lesson plan for mathematics. So I think lesson plan for the mathematics is the one of the easiest lesson plan. um, it seems that it could be difficult, but it's not. So you can see here there's an introduction and PowerPoint presentation and all these things. So here we have done with our 14 lesson plans. And the thing I'm trying to show you, the major is not these 14 lesson plan. Might be tutor don't have time to see all these 40 plan, but what he or she actually checked or viewed is your completion certificate. Get your stamp done, get your sign done. And the other important thing is your attendance sheet. Do mention your arrival time and departure time, and get your sign done through proper department. So this is enough. If you like that video or you think that it's informative, and if you want me to make to show you another sample about how to write a research, which is in a 8613 course, so do mention in comment. I'll make that video um, to show you guys. If you like that video, do subscribe that my channel, and please like that channel. I just make to share my information with you guys, because I have sample, and not all the persons or all the students doing a B.ed have sample. But please make your own lesson plans. Thank you so much for watching that video, and take care.